What's up, guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. Well, it's Sunday again, so we got another small victory we're going to do on the 65 A100 here. The thing we're going to work on today is the antenna. This thing's hosed. Found this antenna in the junkyard down the street the other day on a 73 B100, and it looks pretty Dodge to us, but we're not sure if it's going to work or not. Pretty close though, so let's give it a shot and see what happens. Okay guys, so here's what we got to get undone. We apologize for the poor lighting, but we've got like negative inches of negative to get in here. So ultimately we're going to undo this antenna wire right here, and then there's a keeper bolt right here. So we got to get these two things undone, and then we can get this whole thing pulled apart. Now fortunate for us, the heater box is out of this thing, and the glove box insert is gone. So that makes it a little bit easier on us. If you're doing this thing with all your van put together, it's probably gonna be a lot more difficult, but for us, we got a little easy task as well. This stuff's not in right now, so we're gonna do this while we got a chance to get it done before we put everything back together. So here we go. Well, we went ahead and jumped ahead a little bit for the sheer sake of no room to work. So the retainer bolt on this thing is gonna be a 13/16 standard, and the keeper bolt is a 5/16. Now, not every one of these antennas on an A100 are going to be the same. Depending on who did what to this thing over the last 50 whatever years, it could be anything. You could have Honda, you could have, you know, Chevrolet, you could have something they got at Western Auto. It really varies. You don't know what it is. So all you can do is literally get in here and figure out what's what. So for you guys that want me to tell you exactly what to do, I can't do it. You're going to have to figure it out. But for, like I said, for this thing, which looks to be a factory antenna, it's a 13/16 top bolt and then a 5/16 bottom keeper bolt. So let's get these things out. Go. So coming out now. Let's try this. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty shallow, which it's almost out. Good. Okay, cool. All right, now for this one. Let's see what happens. There we go. It's spinning off. And we're out. Good deal. Pull this down. All right, let's check it out from the front. All right, cool. So we got all that stuff undone underneath the dash, and now literally all we're gonna do is pop that off. Super easy. Here's the testing point. Is this gonna work or not? Fuck, I hope so. I have no idea. Let's take these off and see what's going to happen though. I mean, I think it's pretty close. Start down there. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Too close. Okay, so here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to drill out the bottom hole just a little bit, and we will actually be able to fit in no problem. So let me grab the drill and we'll do that right now. Okay guys, so it looks like that bottom hole is like a 7/32. We're gonna bump it up to a 1/4 inch. Should work, should be enough to clear it. Let's see what happens. Nailed it. Okay guys, so here we are. We got the new antenna in. There's the antenna mount, there's the stay bolt. We just got to get those locked down, and then this thing is done. Apologize for the poor lighting, but hey, it's a tight spot. We get what we get, right? So there it is. We're going to tighten those two things down, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we are back together. That is all tightened up. Yeah, that top bolt looks a little chewed up. I was using slip joint pliers at first, and then I realized I had a small crescent that did the thing, but she's in and she's tight. I think we're ready to go. Let's check it out. Not bad. Tight and right and good, yes. So there it is. If you find an antenna that looks like this on a 73 or early, mid Dodge B100, that will fit on an A100, and it actually fits the shoe print pretty damn good. Pretty happy with that. Yep, that'll do for sure. Nice. Okay guys, and we're all wrapped up. That's it, we're done. So to recap, we pulled this antenna off of a 73 B100 at the Junkyard. 65 A100, works great. We're really stoked. This is way better than what we had. The cool thing is the guys over at Wildcat Auto Wrecking in Sandy, Oregon are sending us an original AM radio for this thing. Super stoked. It's going to be looking really bitchin'. We're pretty happy to get that thing coming in soon, so we'll get that on and that'll be another video. For now, it's Sunday. We got a lot of work to do, so we're going to get back to it. We'll check you later. Have a great day.